Welcome to Weje, a multifunctional service for collecting, storing, and structuring information. In this video, we'll look at the SCAMPER template. After authorizing the Weje service, you go into your workspace. Here, you can create your own board or choose one of the ready templates. To create a SCAMPER from ready scratch, select the appropriate template in the template list, set your own name for the board, and click Create. The SCAMPER method is designed to develop ideas, new products, and solve problems related to this. The template consists of 7 blocks that correspond to the abbreviation SCAMPER. The substitute block is designed for suggestions about replacement and changes of any proposals or product elements. The combine unit is used for combining ideas and product elements. Adapt is designed for ideas for the adaptation and variability of your product. Modify for suggestions for modification, improvement, and changes of product or idea. Put to another use is used for ideas on alternative use of the product. Eliminate is designed for suggestions on exceptions about the idea or product. Reverse block is for changing the usage order of the product. In the center of the template, there is a subject card to describe the product or idea. In each block, you can change the number of ideas depending on your needs, add an item or copy an existing one, or create it using the toolbar. To copy an existing element, select it by clicking and pressing the corresponding icon on the panel. To create a new item, hover over the star icon on the toolbar and select the necessary form. Click on it to create. Drag the created form to the right place and choose its color. Next, write the necessary information in the form. To remove a wrong item in the block, simply select it and click Delete or click on the basket icon. With a completed version of the template, you can read the link in the data-filled example card. You can invite your colleagues or other Weje users to the board with its property menu. To invite another user to the board, you need to specify their email in the Collaborators field. To receive an invitation, the user must be registered in the service. Select the user property and click Invite. You can grant access to the board by a link. To do this, click on the Public button and select the property for the invited user. Copy and send the link. Even an unregistered user will be able to access the board using this link. The filled board can be copied completely. Click on the Create Copy button through the board property. The copied board will appear in the general list of boards. This can be very useful if you use this template frequently. Weje allows you to create SCAMPER either by yourself or with a suggested template. In ready-made boards, you can invite your colleagues or friends for joint management.